Hey everyone, if Dropbox is not uploading files in 2026, like uploads stuck, failed, or not starting, don't worry. I'll show you how to fix Dropbox not uploading files step by step. First, open Dropbox and check your internet connection. Unstable or slow internet is the most common reason uploads fail. Next, restart the Dropbox app completely. I mean, closing and reopening it resets the upload process. Now check your file size. Very large files may fail to upload if your connection is weak. After that, make sure your file formats are supported, like JPG, PNG, or MP4. I mean, unsupported formats will not work. Next, check your Dropbox storage space. If your storage is full, uploads will stop completely. Now, clear cache or reinstall the app if needed. I mean, corrupted app data can block uploads. After that, disable VPN or firewall temporarily. These can block upload connections. Finally, try using another browser or device. I mean, this helps identify whether the problem is device related. So yeah, that's how you fix Dropbox not uploading files issue in 2026. Follow each step carefully and your uploads should start working again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more troubleshooting tutorials for beginners.